You alright?
Yep.
Oh, we can leave it going.
Did you get me, Morgan? Sorry? Did you get me?
I just want these games to be over.
39 to them, 75 to you.
What we got? How much?
You guys only had 39, you guys had about 70 plus. I kind of lost count when like 10 of you came at the same time.
Yeah, I only died like
That's where armbands do supposed to in my life.
Yeah, no.
I think there was a HCA kid that was voicing your death.
There was a guy over there and
He kept running up there, and he's just. You see the BBs, and they're going into that hedge, and he's stood at the other side of the fucking map.
Right, armbands, your spawn's down there. My coach broke this gun.
broke it already.
No,
I was going to say, no you didn't.
It was overhopping it.
Yeah, that's just where we need to play around with the power, but I'm just making it. Oh, thanks man, I'll have it.
You can.
Nice and fat. That's why it's been dropped, mate. That's prone in frustration, mate.
Like the kid did with his gun earlier, threw it against the tree.
I left it on for like.
I don't want to say blatantly.
Oh yeah, that happened. Been there, done that.
That's my boss.
What are we doing now? Switching sides.
Yeah, same, yeah.
Who won that one?
We did.
I mean, we dominated the field, but did we have the most kills?
Probably. Yeah. We had about 30 odd, and they had over 70.
Okay, yeah, we smashed it.
How you doing, Gus? You alright? Yeah, I'm alright.
Fuck you, dickhead!
No, I was in the fucking centre building and there was loads of smoke and like our whole team's up this side and then I'm getting shot at by Speed Marshal. Shooting your friends instead of the enemy? Nah, that doesn't sound right.
Well, you're just not laser at my head.
Yeah. Not sorry, mine not on. Does that make you feel uncomfortable, everybody?
I was walking up with the Glock and he was just like...
It's on sync, don't worry.
Just the same word. Alright, ready?
Oh shit, here we go.
Let's go, boys.
Let's do it.
Yeah, Jonas.
Dry firing those bits. Dry firing. Hello. There you go.
Yeah. Hello. These are all the guys who are moving forward.
Roasted. Something brick.
So everybody knows who we're playing.
That's alright. You're on the barricade just over there.
Yeah, yeah. There's nobody on my right.
Picking off the tree. Picking off the tree. Right side.
I'm going to keep behind that barricade just right in front of me. Yeah, I saw that. He just popped the gun up.
Yeah, literally just too quick,
Who's got the mortar?
right to the earlobe as
Yeah, he was quick. He got me. He just did pop up. I saw. Yeah.
I'll be over for you. I'll be like half an hour or so. Where'd that go? Oh, I ain't got it right now.
You got one or two, you got 12, mate. Engaging now. that's full auto burst, just done for 4 of them.
Steve, you're taking contact.
My ear hurt.
Here you go, one just stood up.
Yeah, they're all pushing left, mate. You could probably push up a bit more, Chris. Okay, I'm going to push to the next one. Ghosty, you got me? Push into this next one, mate. Ready? Go.
To my right, the balance staying in my first two.